Are you ready for this? Welcome to Rice Cooker Baking with Life of Pang. My Leah wanted ideas to make a box cake taste better. If you would like to see something, make sure you put it in the comment below. Today, we're going to take an ordinary chocolate cake and turn it into an extraordinary homemade or bakery cake. I am using this box cake, but use any box chocolate cake you have. I typically don't use box cake because it's usually too sweet for my taste. Plus, it is a lot of batter for my 1-liter rice cooker. And I don't think there are any substitution for the instant jello pudding mix. If anyone knows of anything, please do share it below in the comment section. And by the way, the written recipe, instructions, and oven baking are below this video, so check it out. If you are brand new to rice cooker baking, make sure you watch to the end. There are additional tips to help you to be successful. Beat this for about 2 minutes until it's well mixed and smooth. There is a lot of batter here, so you will need to do 2 separate baking if your rice cooker is 1 liter or smaller. I will attempt some cupcakes. I am using this oil spray. If you are using a muffin tin, make sure you oil it. It's important to only fill the cupcakes to 3/4 full. You will see my mistake later on. Now line or grease your pot or pan to bake the cake. And it may take 2 to 3 bakes for this to be done. Put a paper towel to catch condensation, and then press the cook button. Now set a 30-minute timer. And lessons learned here, don't do what I did. I decided to add more batter to my cupcakes to fill them to the top. That was a bad idea. See what happens at the end. You can top these with anything you like. And then add 1 tablespoon of water to the pot. Try not to get any onto your cupcakes. Paper towel for condensation. And press cook. The results of the cupcake will be shown at the end because this video is so long. And time for our second bake. After 2 bake cycle, which is 1 hour, and the batter is still wet, going for a 3rd bake. After 3 bake, about 90 minutes, there's clumps but not wet batter, so we are done. Cool this for about 30 minutes, and then turn it onto a cooling rack to cool completely for about 2 hours. Beat the butter until light in color, about 2 minutes or so. 1/2 cup does give a slight bitter taste, so reduce it for less bitterness. And the coffee is optional. I did measure out 1 cup of sugar, but decided to start with just 1/2 cup because I don't want it too sweet. I'm glad I did because it was perfect. Fold this in first to prevent a cloud of powder all over the place. Oops, I forgot the milk. Beat this until well combined and smooth, about 2 minutes. Be sure to stop and scrape the sides and the bottom as well. Now you can just spread the frosting on the cake, but I have these piping tools, so I will try to use them. This cake is pretty tall, so we'll make a 2-layer cake. I am just eyeballing the cut here. It does not have to be perfect. Beautiful, moist cake. I am not very good at decorating cakes, so I'm gonna speed through all of this. And let's attempt a design here. Not bad, eh? Let's add some contrast with some nuts and some coconut flakes. Beautiful, isn't it? Does this look like a homemade cake or a cake from a bakery? Let me know what you think in the comment below. I can't wait to taste this. Well, that first slice fell off camera. Let's give this another try. And just look at this double chocolate beauty. I am in love with this cake. My Leah, I hope you will too. It is super moist and oh so heavenly. Box cake? It sure doesn't look like it, does it? The base cake is at a 2 sweet tooth, and with the frosting, it's at a 3 sweet tooth. After 1 bake, oi, overflow. Still wet, 2nd bake. After 2 bake, clumpy, we're done. After cooling for 30 minutes, I had to loosen the side, and it is falling apart as I'm trying to take it out. So let's just dump it. Not bad looking, but not quite pretty either. Let's try to dress them up. You will love it. Give it a try. It is moist and soft And just like the cake, it tastes heavenly. So until next week, happy baking in your rice cooker.